How to solve Megaminx Puzzle top layer. Before we start, here are the clockwise turns and here are the counterclockwise turns. Step 1. Make a star. Follow the algorithm shown below. Step number 2. Match the edges. Step number 3. Match the corners. One last move, but this top side color should be blue because it will stay on top as we transfer it to the other corner. Let's swap colors by applying the reverse algorithm for step number 2. Then match the edges again. And we're back to step number 3. On this location is to be this piece. Position it there and the blue side will be on top once we're done with the moves. Now, position it here and the top color will stay on top. This is the target pattern. Notice the shape and the two sides with color blue. Puzzle solved!
Wow!